Folks, it's that time. We're here for the Fall Home Tour 2023. Come on over. It's gonna be good. Cozy and beautiful. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. You know, I pulled the wreaths out and I said, how am I going to make this wreath better for this year? And you know what I come up with? Nothing. So I said, I'm going to use it. Again, it's too cute. The Sherlock bird starting the tour. Everything in order and cleaned up. All the critters and creatures are out to take advantage.
Could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
Let's head to the kitchen. Let me tease you with supper tonight. My crock-pot pork roast, peppers, onions, fresh cabbage, and carrots. It's killing me. We're filming this before we eat, and the whole house smells like heaven. As you know, we love a little country vibe in the fall. We can squeeze it in and enjoy it, just like our beautiful amber rain basket by Indiana Glass. And of course our Oriental and Asian collection for fall. And you know we're gonna leave a table set up just to get that vibe. And our 3-place plant stand, I love to interchange with things for the season. You see how nicely that works out. The dining room is getting a break, but we got a big fall table plan coming up.
When all your hope is silenced, can't find the silver lining, all tangled up inside. And when you're feeling lonely,
and just the perfect time to get out the Austrian vase collection.
It don't matter where they ran to, you'll be alright. You can run to me. run to me.
Let's see if anything's different upstairs. Little subtle changes, keeping it fun. Seems like we've been here before. We'll want to get those fall colors in before they're gone. You may have forgotten what we saw in the master bedroom. Angela's Amethyst collection, Italian porcelain rose, some of it in the yellow. All the things that make her happy. And if you missed it, this is my great-great-grandmother's chair that I never got to meet. It's been in the family 4 generations. I guess it's really 6. It is, it's 6. Funny how time flies. I know most of you get it. And there's Angela's favorite lighted pumpkin. Mr. Fox and the new bedding. I thought I would mimic his scarf for the home tour. Thought it looked pretty slick. And all the creatures are starting to come around for that holiday that they know is so important. more collections to soothe the soul. And it works for us. If we didn't pay attention before with our Capo di Monte, here's the Grecian pitcher and goblet set with covered dish and open dish. Planes and trains and automobiles, hot air balloons, where you're gonna go, guys. Motorcycles, scooters, red phone booth, and the Scottish Guard. That's the show side of our home, just for you guys, for fall. Get ready. It's gonna be a doozy. Man, that's a big tour. You probably finished all your popcorn. At least your donuts and coffee, right? Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed our fall home tour for 2023. You know what's coming next. We're not in a hurry, but there is another season coming up around the bend. Take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next awesome, amazing Shop With Me collections table. We might be cooking, always entertaining, so you can have some fun. Take care, blessings, and we'll see you in the next incredible, awesome video. Gotta get Angela to the table. All righty. See you soon.
Thank you.